Here's PALTALK app, chat with strangers, meet and text in chat rooms. So it's kind of, if you like random video chatting, this is the app. PALTALK provides free group video chat to connect you to pals, peers, and potential friends around the world. Join one of our thousands of chat rooms to text, voice, and video chat live about music, politics, sports, and more. Whatever your interest, there is a world of friends ready to talk. Come up for karaoke or meet people internationally from the comfort of your computer. Free exclusive virtual store, dynamic and adaptable public or private international community, unlimited video. So let's just install it to see what this app is about. And then you can just open it up, and then let's just try to create the account. So I can just and then here's, you can just see how it looks like. You have chats, you can start the chat. You see your profile. You can also invite people. You can buy credits. The app is a bit unresponsive. So there is 3-day free trial. Then you can just invite friends. It's totally free. I don't know whether you're getting anything for invites, but that's what it is. And then you get gifts. So you can also get some gifts. And that's basically the idea. So just random chat groups where you can participate.